Hey, what's up guys? My name is Reminder and welcome to the unboxing of the Huawei Y6s, which is the latest budget smartphone from the company. And yes, it does run Android. But before we get into all that, like we said, this is an unboxing and we're gonna do it in 3 minutes or less. Let's go. Okay, so let's go straight into the box. Alright, okay, so the first thing that you are met with is the smartphone itself, wrapped in all the protective glory. Let's put that aside for now and get into the rest of the items in the box. So we do have a SIM ejector tool, sorry for that. We have a SIM ejector tool over here. And then there's nothing else. So guys, don't forget, this is not the retail package, rather this is a review package. The retail package will definitely have more things like the warranty information and such kind of papers, you know, user guide. So we are smart, not saying that you're not, but anyway, we don't need to read that. So let's keep digging into the box. We have the USB cable and it's normal USB. So I don't know how I feel about that, but again, it's a budget smartphone. It would have been nice to see USB-C, but we do get a normal standard USB in white, and the cable does feel a bit hefty, which is nice. And then we have a normal charger. It's not fast charging. Yep, not fast charging, so it's a normal charger. So yeah, and that's it from the review box. Let's get into the phone. So the device itself that we have here comes in blue, and actually let me just confirm the exact color. It's called orchid blue, right? And it looks really nice. Wow, alright, so this phone looks really nice. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of the paper. Aha, that is satisfying. And this not for sale sticker over here. Yeah, done. Whoop whoop. Alright, so yeah, that is the device itself. As you can see, it looks really nice. I love that blue. I love the dual tone design. Almost reminds me of a Google Pixel device, because the up top side where the camera and the fingerprint is housed, it's a bit gloss, and on the down part it's actually matte, which feels really nice. These are the specifications as you can see on your screen: a 6.09 720p HD display with a normal notch. Again, this is sad. I wish we'd have seen a punch hole display, but it is what it is. We have a 13 megapixel main camera on the back. It is a single shooter. But on the selfie, we do have an 8 megapixel shooter. When it comes to software, we have Android 9.0 running. So yes, we do have Android on this device. So essentially, it's still a Y6 device. However, it's just been upgraded with the internals. Let's move on into the RAM, which is 3GB and 32GB of internal storage. And we do have a 3020 milliamp hour battery. And that is what you will probably ever care about on your phone, especially at this price range. However, it is duly noted that the device is a dual SIM with 2 SIM cards, both supporting 4G. And that is really nice. Check you later. Kwaheri.